Now, this is how you can download Spotify app on your Apple Watch, no matter the series, no matter if it's Ultra or just a regular. Let's get into it. The first thing you want to make sure is that you have Spotify installed on your iPhone. So when you get inside in here, you want to make sure that the app is right here, that you can update it and everything, right? So yeah, you get the app. And also, as we are already in here, just for the future reference, you can check out if an app has an Apple Watch version right under the preview right here. So under this, you can see all of the other devices which do support it. So we have iPhone, iPad, Apple TV, and Apple Watch. So you know that this app is actually supported on the watch. Now we can leave the App Store and open up the Watch application right here. And personally, I recommend you to open up the general and make sure that automatic app install is turned on, meaning that every app you download on your iPhone will automatically appear on the watch if there is a supported version. So if you keep it this way, Spotify is going to appear automatically. If not, you can always just come back to the main section, and at the bottom, you'll see a list of all installed apps or all apps which might be installed. And in my case, I already have Spotify right here, but if I wouldn't, you'd be able to see it in available apps. So you can tap on install right here, and it's going to be moved over to the Apple Watch. Of course, it has to sync up and everything, but once it does, then you're going to be able to see an actual Spotify application showing up on your Apple Watch. So that's it. That's how you can get a Spotify app on your Apple Watch. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.